Hello students, this is the third video of second chapter, Nelson Mandela, A Long Walk to Freedom. Let's begin. It is from these comrades in the struggle that I learned the meaning of courage. He gave the entire credit to his comrades. Comrades means friends, co-workers. So this is from these comrades, means due to those comrades, those friends in that struggle, that I learned the meaning of courage. Means the real meaning of courage was taught by those comrades to me. Me here means Nelson Mandela. Time and again, I have seen men, women risk and give their lives for an idea. An idea here means for an idea here means the idea of freedom. Means they all were struggling. So he says, time and again means again and again, repeatedly. I have seen men and women risk and give their lives. Means I saw them struggling for the freedom. I have seen men stand up to attacks and torture without breaking. He says that many times I have seen people stand up to attacks. Means those people were bearing, accepting, सहन कर रहे थे such torture and attacks without breaking. बिना टूटे हुए वो उन सभी अत्याचारों को, उन टॉर्चर्स को bear कर रहे थे, सहन कर रहे थे, showing a strength and resilience that defies the imagination. And that shows the resilience means the meaning is written, the ability to deal with any kind of hardship and recover from its effect. Means उन effect से उभरना. And that defies the imagination. Means that is beyond the imagination. वो वास्तव में उस imagination से परे है या unimaginable thing है. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the trump over it. Now he learned, I here means Nelson Mandela says that I learned that courage was not the absence of fear. He gives the definition, underline it, that courage, the real or originally, the courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph, over it. Triumph means उसको जीतना, विजय करना. He says कि courage जो है वो fear की absence होना या fear नहीं होना, वो courage नहीं है. Exactly, courage is triumph over it. कि fear पे विजय पाना ही courage है. The brave. Further he says, the brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. And finally he gives a particular of theory. He gives the definition that brave man is not he who does not feel afraid. कि जो brave man है वो नहीं जो डरता नहीं है, but he who conquers that fear. But he is in the real sense brave who conquers the fear, जो कि उस fear को विजय कर लेता है, उसको जीत लेता है. That is in the real sense, he is the brave man. No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin or his background or his religion. He says that by birth, no one is born with such kind of feelings of hate another person because of his color, his skin, his background, his religion. Because people must learn to hate. Means afterwards, as he grows up, people make them learn to hate according to color, skin, background, and religion. So he says people must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love. And further he says, Nelson Mandela says that afterwards they are learned, or they are learned to hate, and if they are learned to hate, they can be learned to be loved or to love. कि अगर वो हेट करना सीख सकते हैं तो वो लव करना भी सीख ही सकते हैं. For love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite. Then its opposite means to hate. Opposite word जो है hate के लिए आया है. He says that he compares hate and love कि हेट करना अगर वो सीख सकते हैं तो लव करना तो और इजीली सीख सकते हैं, बिकॉज लव कम्स मोर नेचुरली, क्योंकि लव की जो फीलिंग्स है वो नेचुरली जो है आती है एंड to the human heart. Then its opposite means then the feeling of hate. Even in the grimmest times, grimmest means the saddest, even in the saddest times in prison, he remembers, he recalls his past days. He says that even in the grimmest, the saddest time in prison, when my comrades and I were pushed to our limits. Pushed to our limits means torture. We were completely tortured to the last point. Meaning is also written, pushed to the last point in our ability to be a pen. जो दर्द को सहन करने की जो क्षमता है उसका जो लास्ट पॉइंट है वहां तक उनको टॉर्चर किया जाता था. मीन्स दे वर very much tortured in the prison. I would see a glimmer of humanity. Glimmer means एक छोटी सी झलक of humanity in one of the guards. At that time, when Nelson Mandela and his friends were being tortured, at that time also he had seen the humanity or the slightest of the glimmer of humanity in one of the guards, perhaps just for a second, but it was enough to reassure me and keep me going. And that thing, that humanity, that glimmer of humanity in the guard kept him going. उनको उस बात के लिए कंटिन्यू स्ट्रगल करने के लिए, that inspired. Man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. Here Nelson Mandela says that man's goodness, जो लोगों की अच्छाई है, that is like a flame that can be hidden. वो एक फ्लेम की तरह है जो कि थोड़े टाइम के लिए छुपाई जा सकती है, बट नेवर इट कैन बी एक्सटिंग्विश्ड. एक्सटिंग्विश्ड मीन्स बुझाना. इसको कभी भी पूरी तरह से खत्म नहीं किया जा सकता. Further he says, in life every man has twin obligations. Twin means two obligations, जिम्मेदारियां, दायित्व. Obligations to his family, his parents, to his wife and children. And he has an obligation to his people, his community, his country in a civil and society. Each man is able to fulfill those obligations according to his own inclinations. Inclination, natural tendencies of behavior and abilities. He says that everyone has two kind of obligations, and which are these? One is for his family and another one is for his country. And every man, each person fulfills both the obligations according to his wish, according to his tendency, according to his ability to fulfill such wishes. Further he says, but in a country like South Africa, it was almost impossible for a man of my birth and color to fulfill both of those obligations. Means earlier he talks in general that every person has two ability, two duties, and he fulfills these duties to according to him. But in South Africa, it was almost impossible for a man of my birth. Means it was like my people, it was impossible to fulfill such both the duties to be fulfilled, or both the obligations to be fulfilled. In South Africa, a man of color who attempted to live as a human being was punished and isolated. Means whoever has attempted, whoever had tried is punished and isolated. in South Africa, a man who tried to fulfill his duty to his people was inevitably means unavoidably, निश्चित रूप से, ripped from his family and his home and was forced to live a life apart, a twilight existence of secrecy and rebellion. Means whosoever has tried to do this thing, to fulfill his duty to his people, so he was just ripped from means he was removed from his family and his home and was forced to live a life apart. Means he had to leave his home and he had to live his life in secrecy and like a rebellion, एक विद्रोही की तरह उसे अपनी लाइफ जो है वो स्पेंड करनी पड़ती थी. Further he says, I did not in the beginning choose to place my people above my family. Earlier, he had the different thoughts. Earlier, he was not at all placed his people, means his country, above his family. But in attempting to serve my people, I found that I was prevented from fulfilling my obligations as a son, as a brother, a father, and a husband. Means he was removed, he was ripped off from his family. That the same thing which he talked in previous lines. He says, I was not born with a hunger to be free. Means when I was born, I was not born with a hunger to be free. I was born free because he says that I was completely born free. That's why I did not have hunger to be free. Free in every way. He says that I was born free and free in every way that I could know. Free to run in the fields. He gives some example. Free to run in the fields near my mother's hut. Free to swim in the clear stream that ran through my village. Free to roast millies. Roast millies means भुट्टे सेकना. मिलीज यहाँ पे भुट्टे सेकने से मीनिंग है. अंडर द स्टार्स एंड राइड द ब्रॉड बैक्स ऑफ स्लो मूविंग bulls as long as I obeyed my father and abide by means follow the customs of my tribe. I was not troubled by the laws of man or God. Means I was completely free at that time. It was only when I began to learn that my boyhood freedom was an illusion. Now, he says that I began to learn that my boyhood या my childhood freedom was only an illusion. ये केवल एक भ्रम था, एक तरह का धोखा था. When I discovered as a young man that my freedom had already been taken from me. And when he says that when I got young, I was young, at that time I realized that my freedom has already been taken from me, that I began to hunger for it. At first, as a student, I wanted freedom only for myself. In the beginning, he wanted freedom only for himself. And further, he says the transitory freedoms of being able to, means he gives example which kind of freedoms he wanted. The transitory means temporary freedoms of being able to stay out at night, read what I please, means he wanted to freedom. He wanted freedom in whatever he want to read, he can read. Wherever he wanted to go, he can go. Means such kind of small freedoms he wanted. Later, as a young man in Johannesburg, I yearned for the basic and honorable freedoms of achieving my potential, of earning my keep, of marrying and having a family, the freedom not to be obstructed in a lawful life. And for afterwards, when he became young, so as a young man, he wanted to earn his living, he wanted to live freely, he wanted to be free of marrying and having a family. Such kind of freedoms he wanted. But then I slowly saw that not only I was not free, but my brothers and sisters were not free. He says that I was not the only person who was not free, but his other brothers and sisters, means other citizens, were also suffering from the same kind of slavery or not being free. I saw that it was not just my freedom that was curtailed. Curtailed means reduced, but the freedom of everyone who looked like I did. Means everyone's freedom was completely curtailed, reduced. That is when I joined the African National Congress, and that is when the hunger for my own freedom became the greater hunger for the freedom of my people. He says that then I joined African National Congress, and the freedom means his hunger for being free for himself has become greater. Okay, now he wanted the freedom not only for himself but for his people also. It was this desire for the freedom of my people to live their lives with dignity and self respect that animated my life. Animated means full of enthusiasm, जोश से भर देना. So he wanted freedom for his people also. He wanted that their lives with freedom, their life with dignity, self respect, and that thing animated his life. That transformed a frightened young man. Now he talks about himself. That earlier he was like a frightened, एक डरा हुआ जो है young man की तरह था. But now he changed. Those things changed him into a bold one. Now he became the bold person that drove a law-abiding attorney. Attorney means wakil. So earlier he was abiding means to follow. So earlier he followed the laws and such kind of person he was, but now he became a criminal, means that changed him into criminal, that turned a family loving husband into a man without a home. Now earlier he was a family loving man, family loving husband, but now he changed into a man without a home because he had to live alone, isolated. That forced a life loving man to live like a monk. Earlier, he was a life loving man, and after that, when he wanted freedom, he struggled for freedom. He was like a monk without such life, the love of life. He says, I'm no more virtuous or self sacrificing than the next man. Next man means common man, means he says that मैं कोई दूसरों से कोई ज़्यादा गुणी या सेल्फ सेक्रीफाइसिंग दूसरे लोगों से ज़्यादा नहीं था. But I found that I could not even enjoy the poor and limited freedoms I was allowed when I knew my people were not free. He says that when I realized that my people are not free, at that time I was not at all able to enjoy the poorest and limited freedoms that I was allowed. कि जो कुछ फ्रीडम या थोड़ी बहुत जो फ्रीडम हमें जो अलाउ थी, मैं वो भी एंजॉय नहीं कर पा रहा था जब मुझे दूसरे लोगों को मुझे ये पता था कि जब दूसरे लोग फ्री नहीं है तो मैं थोड़ी बहुत भी फ्रीडम एंजॉय नहीं कर पा रहा था. Freedom is invisible. The chains on any one of my people were the chains on all of them. He says that freedom is completely invisible, and the chains of on anyone means if any one of my people was chained at that time, it means these are the chains of all of them. The chains on all of my people were the chains on me. Means any one of us, कि मेरे कोई भी लोग अगर चेंड हैं, बंधे हुए हैं, तो ये चेन्स जो हैं, ये बंधन जो है, ऐसा लगता है कि मैं खुद बंधा हुआ हूँ, उन चेन्स में जकड़ा हुआ हूँ. आई न्यू दैट द ऑप्रेसर मीन्स अत्याचारी, मस्ट बी लिबरेटेड जस्ट एज श्योरली एज द ऑप्रेस्ड मीन्स जिस पे अत्याचार हो रहा. ही सेज दैट नॉट ओनली द ऑप्रेसर मस्ट बी लिबरेटेड, मीन्स केवल हमें जिस पे अत्याचार हो रहा है केवल उसी को फ्री नहीं करना है, हमें जो अत्याचार कर रहा है उसको भी फ्री करना है. अ मैन who takes away another man's freedom is a prisoner of hatred. And further he explains that a man who takes away another man's freedom, कि एक पर्सन जो दूसरों की फ्रीडम को टेक अवे करता है, ही हिमसेल्फ इज अ प्रिजनर ऑफ हैट्रेड. और वो किसका प्रिजनर है? हैट्रेड है. तो उसको उस प्रिजन से उसको भी निकालना होगा. ही इज लॉक्ड बिहाइंड द बार्स ऑफ प्रिजुडाइस एंड नैरो माइंडेडनेस, एंड द पर्सन हु इज ऑप्रेसर is locked behind द बार्ड्स ऑफ प्रिजुडाइस, प्रिजुडाइस मीन्स पूर्वाग्रह एंड नैरो माइंडेडनेस, संकीर्ण मानसिकता के बार्ड्स में वो बंधे हुए हैं. आई एम नॉट ट्रूली फ्री इफ आई एम टेकिंग अवे समवन एल्सेस फ्रीडम. फर्दर ही सेज दैट इफ आई एम टेकिंग अवे समवन एल्सेस फ्रीडम, मैं अगर दूसरों की फ्रीडम को छीन रहा हूँ, देन आई माई सेल्फ एम नॉट फ्री, तो मैं खुद भी फ्री नहीं हूँ. जस्ट एज श्योरली एज आई एम नॉट फ्री व्हेन माई फ्रीडम इज टेकन फ्रॉम मी, the oppressed and the oppressor alike are robbed of their humanity. Further he says the oppressed and the oppressor means जिस पे अत्याचार हो रहा है और जो अत्याचार कर रहा है, both are alike, वो दोनों एक ही तरीके से इन द सेम वे robbed of their humanity, वो अपनी जो ह्यूमैनिटी से है वो बिल्कुल रॉब ऑफ हो रहे हैं या वंचित हो रहे हैं, या उनकी जो ह्यूमैनिटी है वो लूटी जा रही है. That is all about the chapter. Thank you.